My name is Joseph from Josie Concepts, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 amazing websites that you can download PNG images and PNG icons for totally free. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the subscription button and turn on your notification not to miss amazing content like this. So first of all, let's head over to our Chrome browser. So this is our Chrome browser here. So the first website I'm going to be showing you is a website that has a range of images, PNG images, and also PNG vectors, and you can actually download these PNG images and PNG vectors for free. So the website is actually called PNG Egg. So I'm going to be showing you how to download in this website. So let's come over to the search bar. Actually, this website doesn't require you to sign in to this website. So let's come over to the search bar and let's type a random word, or maybe like a car. Okay, yeah, so this is so you can pick from any of the images you need. So let's go for a high resolution image. Okay, so I think this is actually okay. So I think this is actually a high resolution image. Yeah, this is actually the website. So let's go for this here. So you can see the car here, and you can see it's actually 1.72 MB. So let's open this in a new tab. So let's wait for it to load. So yeah, so for you to download this website, you actually need to verify if you are a human or you are a robot. So in this website, it asks this step in which you'll be given an order to follow, which is the VWP8. So we're going to start with V, which is 1, and starting with W and P, then 8. So we're going to follow the sequence for us to be able to download in this website. And know that this website actually, whenever you download more than 5 images, that's when this order will come up. So let's check the file we have downloaded. So yeah, this is the file. You can see that this is actually transparent. It's an actually transparent image. So it's actually transparent without a background. So this is actually the first website, and it doesn't require you to sign in before you can have access to it. So yeah, if you are a designer and you make use of country flags and in your design and you don't know where to actually source for this image, so I'm going to be showing you another website which actually has various categories of country flags in the website. So I'm going to be showing you this website, and it's actually for free. So the website is actually freeflagicons.com. So yeah, so the website has so many country flags from A to Z. So let's start with A. Let's come over to the A section, and you can see a lot of countries with A. So let's start with, or let's go for Argentina. The thing I love about this website, you don't require any sign in before you can have access to the images or the icons to use. And also this image, it has a lot of it has different varieties of shapes. You can just download it in a sphere shape or a rectangle shape. So let's go for this first shape, this cycle shape here, or this. It has different varieties. So this is a football. Okay, yeah, so this is a sphere shape. So let's download it. So yeah, whenever you are downloading in this website, make sure to read the terms and conditions. So you can see you must give appropriate credit, provide a link to the website. So you can only use this website for you can actually use these websites for only personal use. So if you want to use the websites for a commercial use, you have to actually purchase their license, or you know how to do about it. So let's download it. Let's download the flag image. So it's downloading. So yeah, you can see it's done downloading. So you can see it's done downloading. So let's wait for it to load. And this is the website. So this is the image we downloaded, the icon. So you can see it's actually amazing. You can download different styles you want in the website. So yeah, this actually moves us to the third website, in which you can download HD images and also illustrations. So the website is actually called cleanpng.com. It's actually called cleanpng.com. So you can see the website. It also has a lot of varieties of PNG images. You can see the amazing PNG images here. So let's go for a simple one. Let's go for this. And you can see the step is very easy to download. So just click on the free download. You can see it has a HD resolution. It has 7.32 MB, I think. So you can see that it has a very high resolution while downloading the file. So let's wait for it to load. It's almost done downloading. So yeah, it's done downloading already. So let's open our file. So you can see that this is actually a HD image, and it's actually amazing. It's actually an HD image. So if you are into if you are a designer and into illustrations, and you make use of vectors and illustrations in your design, and you're looking for a website in which you can download illustrations, not only illustrations, editable illustration, I'm going to be showing you these amazing websites in which you can download amazing illustrators and vectors in this website. So this website is actually for free, and the one thing I love about this website is the fact that you can actually edit whatever you have downloaded. You can actually edit the vector file. So when you download it actually comes in a zip file and in a vector file, and also in an Adobe illustration file. So the website's name is actually publicdomain.org. So let's go to it, publicdomainvectors.org. So this is the website here, and you can see it has a lot of images here, a lot of illustrations here and vectors. So let's go for this one here, and you can actually search. It actually has a search bar, and it has over 70,000 vector images in public domain. So let's download this. So you can see it here. You click on the download button, and it's actually a high resolution PNG. So it actually comes in a zip file. Whenever you download it, it's actually in a zip file. So you can see it's actually in a zip file. So you can either extract it, or let me open my Adobe Illustrator so that I can show you that it's fully editable. So where is it? So this is the file. It actually comes in Adobe Illustrator format. So let's drag this into Adobe Illustration. It's going to load a little bit. Going to extract. So yeah, this is it. So you can see that this image or this vector is actually customizable. You can edit it. You can shift whatever element you want to shift. So you can see this. It's actually editable. It's fully editable. So this is it here. This is the website. It's very amazing. So let's edit this one here. This over here. Let me show you that this website is actually editable. So you can see you can move the arm. You can move anything in. You can move it to a perfect position you actually like. So this website is actually amazing, and you can also customize it and also edit the file itself. So let's move on to the last one, which is pngwing.com. So this is also similar to the PNG egg. It's also similar to the PNG egg, and it also requires no login or signing in for you to be able to access their file. So let's come over here. So let's look for any images, and it has both high resolution and low resolution images. So I think let's go for a high resolution image. Let me see, let's search for a random word, maybe a heart. I think this heart is like a top search here. So let's work with this option over here. Okay, I think this one has a high resolution. Yeah. So let's go for this. Let's go for this. And the thing about most of all these websites, they actually run their revenues through ads. So most times you'll see adverts. You just have to cancel the advert or just have to wait for it to load. So let's come over here. You have to also click alphabets in order and download the PNG. So it's almost similar to the PNG. So let's click the image. So you can see in the order U38A. So let's do that. U38A. Okay, I think we missed that. Okay, yeah, this is Q O V N. Okay, so you can see that we actually got this one right. So let's wait for it to download. So yeah, it's done downloading. So you can see that it is a PNG website. It's not like other websites that when you download the PNG, even download the PNG file, it actually comes with background. So you can see that this is actually a PNG. It's actually a PNG format. So you can see no background on it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Tell us in the comment section which of these websites you would love to try and which of these websites you have tried and it's actually amazing. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph Gabriel, Jesse Concept, signing out.